replacement visa will be a major relief and a kind of a game changer for those TR visa holders who are still stuck overseas. Now, what will be this replacement visa? The duration ki hoegi? Who will be eligible? To understand all that, stay tuned with Legal Migration. Now, first of all, we all know that last year when pandemic started March 2020, ਤਾਂ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਵੀ TR visa holders ਸੀਗੇ, majority of them they were not granted travel exemption. Only few were granted travel exemption. ਖਾਸ ਕਰ ਜਿਹੜੇ critical sector 'ਚ ਕੰਮ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਸੀਗੇ. So they thought it was an opportunity lost ਕਿਉਂਕਿ TR ਜਿਹੜਾ visa ਹੈ that leads to your work experience. This is the time ਜਦੋਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੀ PR ਦੀ foundation build ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋ. Now, in a major relief, what's going to happen? Those visa holders who were forced to remain overseas, obviously due to COVID-19, ਤਾਂ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਦਾ visa expired on ਜਾਂ after February 2020, so they will be eligible. Now, it's obviously a good news ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਉਹ time lost ਹੋਇਆ, they will be able to make up in a way. So, from when this visa will be granted, ਹਾਲੇ ਤੱਕ ਇਹਦਾ ਮੀਡੀਆ ਰਿਲੀਜ਼ ਹੈ, ਸੋ ਬੀ ਵੈਰੀ ਵੈਰੀ ਕਲੀਅਰ. ਇਹਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਹਲੇ ਕੋਈ ਲੈਜਿਸਲੇਸ਼ਨ ਕਲੀਅਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਇਆ. ਸੋ ਇਨ ਦ ਡੇਜ਼ ਟੂ ਕਮ, in the following few weeks, yeah, maybe a bit earlier, they possibly or the department possibly will release a formal statement. So the good news is that those applicants or those visa holders who thought that opportunity lost hogi, well, they will be able to kind of regain that lost thing. And one more thing, ਜਿਹੜੀ duration ਹੋਏਗੀ visa ਦੀ, that will be exactly the same. For example, ਆਪਾਂ replacement ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ. So if a student or if a visa holder was granted 18 months visa, तो ਉਹਨੂੰ ਦੁਬਾਰਾ replacement visa will be for 18 months again. However, ਜਿਹੜੇ post study work stream ਚੋਂ, those who get 2 years visa, well, they will be given again 2 years visa as a kind of replacement. So जो duration है, ਉਹ original visa ਜਿਹੜਾ ਮਿਲਿਆ ਸੀਗਾ ਉਹਦੇ ਬਰਾਬਰ ਹੋਏਗੀ. So once again, ਅਗਰ 1st February on ਜਾਂ after 1st February 2020, somebody was having this visa TR 485 and could not travel because obviously there were travel restrictions and exemption was not granted to most of the people. So they will have this opportunity to apply for this replacement visa. Now this is going to be significant. But the reason ki hai, as I discussed, that TR is the time ਜਦੋਂ students ਜਾਂ ਜਦੋਂ ਕੋਈ ਵੀ visa applicant ਹੈ ਜਾਂ visa holder ਹੈ, ਉਹ ਆਪਣਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ pathway decide ਕਰਦਾ ਹੈ, ਚਾਹੇ ਉਹ PY ਦੇ through ਹੋਏ, ਚਾਹੇ ਉਹ job ready program ਦੇ through ਹੋਏ, ਜਾਂ ਆਪਣਾ individual industry experience ਦੇ through. So this opportunity, many of the visa holders thought that they have lost it, but this is the time to regain the ground. So in the times to come, in very few weeks या कुछ days च, the department will formally announce कि the legislative instrument ਕੀ ਹੋਏਗਾ, ਇਹਦੇ ਚ ਕਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੇ so called key criteria ਦਾ ਹੋਏਗਾ, and who all can take advantage of it. So as and when this thing will be released, we'll bring it to your attention. Till then, if you have any question, any query, do not hesitate to contact us. You can WhatsApp or you can drop comments in this comment section. WhatsApp number is 0433071181. मैं Tajinder Singh from Legal Migration. All the very best for this replacement visa. This is an opportunity to come back to that PR pathway once again. धन्यवाद.